Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Miranda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today I am giving you a huge clean beauty Sephora haul. I'm giving you a full face of first impressions. I'm wearing everything right now and I can't wait to show you guys what I'm using, what I loved, what I didn't love. All of these, for the most part, products are clean beauty. I went down a skincare rabbit hole about a year ago and I really committed to the clean beauty, non-toxic kind of formulas. So I'm excited to try out a bunch of new brands that I've never tried. I've already moisturized and put on my SPF. So I'm going to go in with the Lawless Conceal the Deal Full Coverage Concealer. Obviously I have a little breakout right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to put this on the back of my hand because apparently we're applying way too much concealer. I saw it on Instagram, so obviously it's true. And I went out and bought a concealer brush so that I could apply it the right way. So I'm just going to cover up the blemishes that I do have. This concealer looks to be a little bit light on me. I bought all of this online, so color matching was a little bit of an issue, but I tried my best. Obviously, I have a little bit of a breakout right now. If you've been following my channel for a while or maybe seen me over on Instagram, you'll know that I've struggled with acne for the past few years. I've made some changes lately that I feel like will be really beneficial to my skin. So once I finally crack the code and figure out what's going on with my skin, you can expect some more videos, but I don't want to speak on a lot of skincare anymore just because I haven't figured out my own skin, but we are manifesting clear and radiant skin. It's coming, I feel it. I'm really impressed with the coverage of this concealer. It is so lightweight. I would call it like a medium to full coverage, but it's super buildable. And because it feels so lightweight, I feel like I can put a couple of layers on the spots that I really need to. So I'm just going in and covering up this one again, because this one's real red and real in your face. Once I've concealed what I want to conceal, I'm going to go in with my foundation. I got this Kosas Skin Improving Foundation with SPF 25. It's supposed to be medium coverage, natural dreamy finish. This is the first thing I've tried by Kosas and I've heard so many amazing things. I got this in shade Light Cool 150. I hope this is correct. I've been on a little bit of a journey finding my undertones, finding my colors, and I think I've come to the conclusion that I'm neutral with cool undertones. So let's see if I'm correct. I love the packaging. The bottle feels nice in the hand. I love the frosted packaging. I think it's so cute. Let's see how this matches. Ooh, it's real runny. I wasn't expecting that. Did I match my skin perfectly? It feels so lightweight going on the skin, but we'll see how it feels like with all of the other products layered over it. I'm kind of past the point in my life where I feel like I have to have full coverage makeup at all times. I've become really comfortable with my skin. I'm comfortable in my skin even with my acne, so I've put less stress on having full coverage foundation to cover up my acne. I don't really care if you can see my acne. It is what it is. It's part of me, but I know that I'm doing what I can. So first impressions of the first layer of foundation is so lightweight. I love the finish. It's very natural. It doesn't make me look too matte or too shiny. I think this color match is literally perfect, guys. Like I'm not even just saying that. I think it's perfect. This feels like literally nothing. Overall, I'm very impressed with this foundation. I'm gonna put a little bit more of this Lawless concealer. This is the first thing I've tried from Lawless also, and I'm really liking it. I'm gonna put some more on the back of my hand, take my concealer brush, and then I'm just going to hit my under eye a little bit. This is where the internet told me that I was using way too much product. So I'm trying to use less product and achieve the same kind of coverage. I think that did a decently good job at brightening the under eye. Maybe not so much like concealing the dark circles. My beauty routine lately has really just been trying to enhance my natural features, not really cover anything up, not change anything. I want to look like me, but I want to look like a more elevated version of me. I want to really play into my natural features. And that concealer feels really good on the under eye. We will see if it creases. Next, I'm going to do brows. I have been blessed and cursed with thick, dark, bushy eyebrows. They were a curse when I was younger. I waxed them super thin a couple years back. I let them grow in and I can really just pluck them, or sometimes I'll get them threaded to keep the shape. I thought I ordered this product in the full size. Apparently I didn't. Apparently I ordered like the tiniest thing ever. It's the Anastasia Beverly Hills just clear brow gel. And I will say I'm glad that I didn't pay for the full version of this, because this is one of the products I've tried and I just don't feel like it has like that much hold to it. Like it holds my brows where they naturally sit, but I wouldn't say if you're trying to do like a real fluffy brow that it would hold your brows up. If you guys have recommendations on a really good, strong holding brow gel, leave them in the comments. Bonus points if it is non-toxic / clean beauty. I will not buy the full size of this. I guess I'll use this until it runs out. Next, I'm going in with my bronzer. This is the, I think it's Say Sun Melt Natural Cream Bronzer. I got this in the shade Light Bronze. As much as I want to be like tan and use all of the super glowy, super bronzy products, I'm just not tan. So I wanted to make sure I got the lightest color that I could, because if my bronzer is too dark, it makes me look so gross, so fast. I love a cream bronzer. I'm going in with this Sonia Kashuk little bronzer brush. It's really thin. I wanted the brush because I feel like I can control the placement of the product better. I don't really know how pigmented this is. Honestly, it looks pretty pigmented. And I'm just dabbing it kind of where I would contour, a little bit up on my cheekbones. I'll bronze my cheekbone just a little bit. I'm not being super exact. I just want to bring a little bit of color back into my face, not too much, because too much bronzer makes me look clown-ish, clown-esque, if you will. Before this, I was using the Milk Makeup, I think it was like a little bronzer stick, and I liked it, but I felt like you had to use so much to get any color payoff, and this product is really giving me a lot without having to really dig into the pan, so pretty happy about that. I'm gonna go a little bit down my nose. I think I may have put a little too much, but I'm gonna go in with the Beauty Blender and just diffuse that a little bit. Also, my favorite like lazy girl makeup hack is just to use whatever bronzer you're using and put that as your eye color too. And then I don't have to do eyeshadow. I got a lot of Say products and I've heard so many great things about this brand, so I'm so glad to finally be trying it out. Next, I'm doing the Say Mascara 101, Thick, Bold, Lifted Lashes. For every day, I just want a mascara that will help my lashes hold their curl, so hopefully this is it. The last mascara that I tried in the clean beauty genre, I really didn't like. It did not hold the curl at all. I'm gonna curl my lashes first, apply the mascara. I saw, once again, on the internet, that if you hold your eye like this and apply your mascara in like a diagonal, that it gives you this really beautiful like cat eye type effect. In hindsight, this is probably going to give me wrinkles if I do that. It kind of just flicks your lashes out to the outer corner instead of going straight up, which I find kind of gives my eyes more of a cat eye look instead of so big and round. I really like to focus my mascara on the outer, like the outer third of my lashes, outer half, without it feeling really heavy in the inner corner. Ooh, I really like this wand. It like really separates the lashes and coats every one of them, and it's like not clumpy at all. And then I just hit the lower lashes like just a little bit, just so they aren't like not there, but I don't want them to be like doll lashes. I think they look creepy. You look like Yzma from, what's that movie?
Pull the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever!
Okay, next it is a liquid blush. I love a liquid or a cream. Actually, I take that back. I've never used a liquid blush, but I love, love, love a cream blush, and I am a blush girl. I think the more blush, the better. I think blush looks so great on me. This is the Say Dew Blush Liquid Cheek Flush in the color Rosy. Let's see what the applicator looks like. Oh, okay, so it's just like a huge doe foot. So I'm just gonna do like 1, 2, 3, and then blend those in. I'm gonna use the bottom part of my sponge. Oh, this is pretty. I was using the Milk Makeup cream blush, like the cream blush stick before this, and I hated it. I love Milk Makeup. I've heard really great things about their Hydro Grip Primer, so I really want to try that, but I hated their blush stick. It gave you like no color payoff at all. I tried applying it with my fingers, a brush, a sponge, directly onto the skin, like nothing helped. This, however, I think is so pretty. It's like melting into the skin. It gives you a decent amount of color payoff for the amount of product that you used. I'm gonna put a little bit more just because I think it just gives me like the most sun-kissed, dewy look. I think blush is a necessity if you're doing like the minimalistic, clean girl beauty routine. I think you have to have just like a little bit of that sun-kissed glow. It blends in so nicely. All of these cream liquid products have blended in so well into my skin. I think they look amazing. I'm really, really, really impressed. I don't have a highlighter. It shattered everywhere. It was the Ilia highlighter. I haven't really missed it in my routine, so I don't have one today. And now the most important part is lips. I struggle so much with lip products and finding lip products that I like. And I really wanted like a tinted lip balm just to give my lips something, a little bit of color instead of just being my natural lips, but that I could put on day to day even when I'm not doing a full face of makeup. I decided on this Ilia Balmy Tint Hydrating Lip Balm, and I got this in the shade Lullaby. Ordering lip products online might be one of the hardest things ever because I have no idea what's gonna look good on me, but like I said, I just kind of went down the rabbit hole into finding my undertones, specifically my color season, and they said that a color like this would look flattering. Now it looks so dark, like I don't think I would ever actually buy this in stores, but I tried it on once, I didn't love it. We're gonna try it again with a full face and see if I like it. And I think I used too much the last time, so I'm just gonna like barely dab it on there just to give it a little bit of color, just bring a little bit of color back into my lips. Now that I didn't like just rub it all over my entire mouth, I like it a lot better. I think it brings just a little bit of color back into my lips. I got this Merit Shade Stick Tinted Lip Oil in the color Pink Beet. I'm just gonna put a little bit over this tinted lip balm. I'm just diffusing it with my finger because since my makeup is really natural, I don't want my lips to look like real in your face. I want them to look very natural also. And I'm just tapping it into my lips and I kind of love it. It looks like my lips but better, just a little bit of color brought back into it. Guys, I'm looking at this makeup and I am so happy with how it turned out. It feels so good on the skin, guys. Like I feel like not wearing makeup in my day-to-day, honestly rarely wearing makeup. When I have makeup on my skin, I'm very hyper aware of what it feels like. And this feels so light, so breathable. I feel like I look like me, but just, you know, a little bit of an elevated version, a little bit more of a polished version. This could easily be my everyday, no makeup look. Let's take the hair down, let's see what it looks like. All right guys, first impressions of all of the products that I used today. Almost every single one of them, minus the Anastasia brow gel, but forget about her. Everything else I am so impressed with. They feel so lightweight, so breathable on the skin. I think it gives you that beautiful, minimalistic, no makeup look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.